Greetings from Somers Point, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is a 2024 pre-owned Sea Ray 260 SLX IO. It's a beautiful boat. You have the windlass up on the bow. There is no bottom paint on this. It's the IO with the Bravo 3 drives. Has trim tabs and underwater lights. You have the swim platform here, which is really nice. Boat has sea deck throughout. Your engine compartment here, there is a hatch that lifts up. You can put skis in here. Trickle charger for your battery. Storage below the feet here. You'll see all these in the photos. Nice step, boarding step if you're going from boat to boat. Does have a power tower. Speakers overhead. Lots of coverage with this boat. Lots of coverage. This will retract. It's retracted now. I mean, it'll extend out. So when you're here, you're getting shade as well if you choose. Has the American flag holder. Twin SIMRAD displays. Phone charger. And these seats do spin around, so if you spin them both around, you set up like a family room area. Great for when you're anchored up and having those conversations. Very nice head compartment. The bow filler cushion's down in there currently, but so that bow filler cushion will fill this section in here. So not only do you have a nice lounging area here, but you have it in the back as well. A lot of comfort on this boat. Armrests go down when you're up here. There's table mounts. This does have the teak tables. Windlass with a freshwater shower here. Rinse that off if you get mud on your anchor. You don't want to drive around with mud on your anchor and get your shiny boat dirty. And there you have it, folks. This is a 2024 trade. So it's a pre-owned boat. Sea Ray 260 SLX. Give us a call. 609-926-0600, or find us on the web, www.marinemax.com. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. Thanks.